Hi student, we'll solve this numerical based on the high pass filter. This is the first order high pass filter. Title is design a high pass filter at a cutoff frequency of 1 kilohertz with a pass band gain of 2. This is the first order filter. Information with us, cutoff frequency means FL equals to 1 kilohertz. Pass band gain means AF equals to 2. For first order low pass filter, this AF, pass band gain AF equals to, this is 2 given, we are using this in non-inverting configuration, so that's why this equals to 1 plus RF upon R1. This equals to 1 equals to RF upon R1, therefore R1 equals to RF. Assume R1 equals to 10K. Substitute this value in this relations and find out RF. Therefore, RF equals to 10K because the relation between R1 and RF is equal. So, RF equals to 10K, R1 equals to 10K. Second parameter, that is the lower cutoff frequency FL equals to 1 kilohertz. This equals to 1 upon 2 pi RC. RC means this is the value of filtering elements RC. Here the lower cutoff frequency is given and R and C has to determine. So in this case we will assume the value of capacitor C equals to, I have select here value of capacitor, this is 0.01 microfarad. Substitute this value in this equation. So only unknown parameter is R. Rearrange this equations for R equals to 1 upon 2 pi 1 kilo into 1 into 10 raised to 3 into C. This is 0.01 into 10 raised to minus 6. Simplify this equation, we'll get the value of R. R equals to 15.92 K. Substitute this value in this equation, in the circuit diagram. C equals to, that way assume this is the 0.01 microfarad. R equals to 15.92 K. This R1, this is 10K. RF equals to 10K. In this example, we can find out, we can map this frequency response also. By substituting the various values of F, we can find out F on horizontal axis, gain on vertical axis, FL with us, that is the 1 kilohertz. So select the frequency less than 1 kilohertz and greater than 1 kilohertz, and find out this V0 upon V in ratio, the expressions of this AF upon under root of 1 plus FL upon F bracket square. FL remains same, that is the 1 kilohertz. F, this is the frequency, we have to vary. So some frequency will select it less than 1 kilohertz. This is the FL, this equals to 1K. So for this is the F. Here this is the ratio upon V0 upon V in. Here this is in dB minus 20 log of V0 upon V in. This is the gain. For various values of F, find out this gain and map over this. This is a simple tentative of this. For FL, this is the frequency. Is it? Yeah. Okay. Thank you.